2003 Honda Civic. So as you can tell, I am down here about to drain the thermostat, and you can get to it through that little hole right there. It's right up right here, and you just twist it off. It's right down into your little bucket. There's draining right there. Okay. Then to make it drain a little faster, open up the cap. You look too fast. And we'll wait for that for a little bit. So now that it's done, getting everything out of the radiator and the overflow, I'm going to take both the hose clamps off right here, the top one and the bottom one, just to free up some room to pull the thermostat out pretty cleanly. So I forgot to show you the thermostat. Got it off eBay, I think for under 20 bucks with the gasket included. So I'll do that and get to you. So there's the top and there's the bottom, and the hose clamps came off with a 8mm socket. And here's the sensor for the thermostat. Just unplug that, it's on the bottom, you just push it in and take it right off. And now I'm gonna take the brackets off for the thermostat. Before I take it fully off, I want to show you guys that there are 2 screws holding this on. And it is, one is right there, and the other is right there. So 2, I brought this off. Then there it is right there. I'm gonna get a pair of pliers to get it out. There it is, and a little coolant came out after I pulled it out, but you didn't need a pair of pliers. I just grabbed the middle right there and just pulled it out, and it came out easily. So here it is with the gasket. To put the gasket on, it's really simple. You just seat it on one part of it, then kind of just seats itself as you go all around it. So now we'll get back to putting it back in. One thing I forgot to mention is see where that little gap in the seal, make sure it goes like right in the middle of the jiggle pin. So now we'll be putting it back in. Face it this way when you put it back in. The jiggle pin up. I was gonna do a video of putting it back on, or just a little in the meantime while I was putting it back on, but it was extremely difficult to do with one hand and trying to get it. So there it is, and make sure there's no gaps around it when you put the housing back on. Don't want any air getting in there, so I'm going to tighten it down a little more and start plugging everything back up. So put the sensor back on, tighten it down, and now to put the hoses back on, the hose clamps. So all the hoses back on, everything, and one last step, don't forget the plug. So we'll put that on, then give her some radiator fluid or some coolant, and we will bleed the air out. So I'll show you how to do that. So we're just filling her back up. Some Prestone 50/50. So we'll fill the radiator back up and the overfill. So now that everything is filled up, we're going to start the car, let it warm up, and it'll probably take 20 minutes, maybe more, I don't know, to warm up, then make sure the thermostat is working correctly. So we'll do that and get back to you. Well, it's been about 15 minutes. It's running good. Hold a little coolant. So I think that is it. Hopefully this helps you guys change the thermostat if you guys have to on yours. Also, I've said on some of the forums and the Facebook pages and YouTube videos to change the actual cap for the radiator. So I got one on I think Amazon for maybe 12 bucks, 14 bucks. So try both and hopefully it helps. It just overheated a couple times, and I mean it's 2003, so it wouldn't hurt to change the thermostat and change a couple of things, and well, hopefully this helps. Thanks all.